A day in our Arami life. Ready to go meet 100. 15-minute travel. Setting up of the Arami booth at the National Bookstore. Flyering. Giving out of business cards. One-on-one product presentation.
Napakaganda po, opo.
At saka number one nga dyan, effectiveness yung products niya.
Correct po. Kasi ang ating po mga products are functional.
Yeah.
When we say functional, they're effective. And they can do two things, especially yung ating po mga food supplement. They can do two things. They are responsible for repair and regeneration.
Okay.
Yun po ang kagandahan. Pati po mga shampoo natin, body lotion, functional.
We also did free facial demo using our Arami Evening Care for Set.
Basta po ito yun mga about 30 minutes or so. Or, alam niyo po merong mangingisda dito. Nag-order ng 5 million. Mangingisda na.
So let's welcome our new members. We were also visited by our sponsor, DM Gray Joso. And we have encoded a new member who already purchased her toothpaste.
Pagod?
Pero success!